Hey guys, so this video is going to show you how I install the Foremost on Ubuntu, and it's going to show me running through a few things, just testing out the syntax and permissions and things like that. And I did a quick test run, but beyond this video I did a bit more testing, but ultimately wasn't able to recover files with it. I think it was something to do with the VM that I was running this on. So if anyone is interested, I may end up doing another video on this where I do a full successful test, maybe run it on real hardware, who knows, but I may go deeper with this in the future. But I just wanted to get the footage that I had right now out there in case someone finds it interesting. But it's incomplete, and this is just me testing it a little bit. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully someone finds this at least interesting to watch. If not, just skip past this one. All right, thanks guys.